Another gentleman wants to trade a ZX14 2010 with like 5,000 miles on it, but I don't like people that don't have like histories of titles, and I gotta file for a lost title, and I don't know. Seems a little shisty for me. Seems a little suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. And we're off. You know, I started this channel. I never even thought about how I'm going to edit this stuff. I'm not a very good editor, but we're going to learn together. Maybe that's another thing. I'll learn how to edit or do those things. But I'll tell you what, man. I got on that Fiverr, and that shit's legit. I had this guy make me a banner for the channel, which you'll probably see up here. You'll see the channel banner there. He did an awesome job of it. Love it. So yeah, we're going to have some journeys. We're going to trade some motorcycles all summer long. Maybe some cars. That's what I do. I trade all kinds of stuff. Buy, sell, trade. Everything's for sale. Everything for sale. You get a bike. Everybody gets a motorbike. Yeah, I didn't see that. I almost just went just into neutral. Don't tell nobody. I played it off pretty good though. All these lights are turning freaking green by the time I can go get into neutral and just relax for a second. On my hands. On my poor hand. Need some better gloves. Just some cheapos. And here we go. That's from Peaky Blinders, right? Here we go. Hopefully the purple panda has stopped picking up so much wind noise. I do have what they call the dead cat, dead bunny, or dead mouse, whatever you want to call it. Just a little fluffy thing on the end. A little fluffy sock. My wrist is hurting. Man, speaking of wrist, what about Mac's wrist, bro? That guy is a nut on a motorcycle, man. That guy had balls of steel. Great inspiration too there, man. Max Steel, if you ever come across my channel, you're a god, bro. I just love how you ride the BMW 1000 RR. Awesome. Yeah, hit these small little turns. Yeah, let me tell you. It's always just the little things. Look, that's one of those bridges I was talking about. We just build random shit in the middle of nowhere. Like that's like the entrance to down the most boringest street, which is State Street, and they just have that bridge there. Oh shit, that thing fired. Somebody was mad. Somebody's teeth got messed up. Well, you just said, hell no. You messed up my veneers. I'm gonna mess up your building. Hey, or they said, I can't see you until next Thursday. Didn't this take forever though to get people in? That's what's crazy. That's what's crazy about people. Another bridge of art. I just wish there was no cars on this thing so you could actually hit the corners. This is actually pretty cool. We got a couple nice little sharp little cool turns here. And she's learning to do a lot better about looking through the turn, over the shoulder, on whichever turn that I'm taking. I'm trying to teach her as far as that too. So if you guys ever get riders in the back, you know, just make sure that you teach them to hold on to you and lean with you into, you know, not a lot of people want to lean away from where you're leaning. That can cause a lot of issues for you. So if you're a new rider and learning, always try to get, you know, your passenger to lean with you and look through your shoulder at whatever corner you're taking. So it helps out a lot when you're not fighting against your partner to make the turn worse. Maybe we'll stop up here at this Circle K up here and take a little motorcycle break right here really quick.
Like Batman run for living man owner. Where's that still? That's all this still.
The full spin. Red. Brake. 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 Works good. Brake. Yeah. Genius. Whoever thought about turning your LEDs and the brake lights all the way around. Definitely probably could save lives. Yeah, and we're gonna be here forever. Oh, I lied. Now's our time. Gotta take a potty break.